Hey boys, I know it's time you go home, but we have to clean 8 more cars for today. I will help you, okay? So we are 4 of us. Each car should be cleaned internally, externally, and then to be waxed. Of course, one of us should be responsible for the final check and the payment. Okay, but don't forget that we have just one workstation available for each job. There is only one workstation for internal cleaning, one for external washing, and one for the waxing of the car. The engineer said that we shouldn't use the other workstations until tomorrow. You say it right, I forgot that. And how do you propose to work? Mr. Petros, you should organize us because you have more experience than us. I think I have a good idea. We will work in a pipelining way in order to finish as soon as possible. What do you mean exactly? I mean that when the first car has been cleaned at the first workstation, then it will be delivered for external washing at the second workstation, while at the same time the second car will be delivered for cleaning at the first workstation, and so on. I understood. You mean that while the first car will be waxed at the third workstation, the second car will be washed externally, while at the same time a third car will be cleaned internally, and so on. Exactly. Well, let's go now to start our job in order to finish quickly and to go back home. Oh, finish. I hope we're done quickly. Yes, your idea was really good. I think so. You can go home now. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye. Bye. Bye.